It was a tough challenge. Finding free 3D assets for a solo game developer like me was frustrating. Most of them were either too expensive, low quality, or simply didn't fit my game's style. So, I had two choices: keep searching endlessly, or take matters into my own hands. And that's when I decided to learn Blender and create my own 3D models. Alright, now it's time to jump into Blender. Like many beginners, I'm starting with the classic Blender donut. I'll be shaping it, adding icing, and making it look as tasty as possible. While I work on this, sit back, relax, and enjoy the music. And finally, here it is, my first ever Blender model. It may just be a donut, but this is where it all begins. From struggling to find assets to making my own, this has been a game changer for me. If you are a solo game dev like me, don't be afraid to learn new skills. It's tough, but totally worth it. This is just the beginning of my 3D modeling journey. If you want to see more of my progress, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss the next video. Let's make some awesome games together. That's all for today. Tata, goodbye, and see you in the next one. Till then, keep playing and keep enjoying.